Me and my friend traveled from California to Oregon to ski in the summer. Here's how it went.
I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border.
We're at the airport in Portland, waiting at bag claim 2.
We ended up waiting 6 hours in the airport.
If you wait, I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you catch me at the border, I got visas in my name. If you come around here, I'll make them all day. I'll get one down in a second.
Yo, what's up, guys?
About to go skiing at Mount Hood. I'm so excited. We're gonna get some epic shots.
What up, guys? I'm gonna need
Max Street Apparel.
Go shop for that.
Boom, boom. This is gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crazy ass kids coming like up on your door. Let him in. Let him in. Let him in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh! Keep that weight on your front foot. Otherwise, that back foot's gonna kick out from under you.
I feel like $1,000,000, but my money don't really feel like I do. And from the ground, I build my own damn buzz. People was amazed I was still in high school, but now I'm out. And money what I'm about, trying to get so much that I can't keep count. New kicks give me cushion like whoopee. Keep a smile like an eating pork cookie.
After skiing and learning boxes in the park for a few hours, we decided to head back to camp.
I got you on video.
Back swap to switch to Misty, to Misty, to Misty, to Misty, to Misty, to Misty, the backflip, to Misty, to Misty, to Misty, to Misty.
It's going. Oh my god. Keep on going. You got it.
92 till infinity.
What's up, guys? About to hit that rail right there, that yellow one, the flat yellow one. Ow.
Or maybe I'm dreaming. Tell you what it's like when I see you. If you really have it like, can you tell me? Please, I'm really trying to know.
Ow! Oh, that one hurt bad.
I'm just trying to go. If you really have it like, could you tell me? Please, I'm really trying to know. Cause I do what I do when it's all said and done. Shit, I'm just trying to.
Let's go! That was the first time I actually got off of it though, like, at the end.
Can you tell me? Please, I'm really trying to know. Cause I do what I do when it's all said and done. Shit, I'm just trying to go. If you hear what heaven's like, could you tell me? Please, I'm really trying to know. Cause I do what I do when it's all said and done. Shit, I'm just trying to go.
Luckily, he ended up being okay, and he did end up winning the competition, so that was good. I didn't record a whole lot during the other 3 nights that we stayed there, but here's a little montage I made of some highlights of the trip.
Filming? Yeah.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Jack Carpenter. Today, I'm gonna be shredding.
So yeah,
Alright, perfect.
but yeah, dude, I hope you had a great week.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. That was so fun.
Hope to see you next year.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you're on your own now, dude. Get a couple more licks in, and then grab the bag and head to the bus.
Alright, great. Thank you guys so much.
Get to the bus.
Yep.
She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him.
We're about to go skiing at Mount Hood. We in the hood right now.
Top drawer. Yeah. Just some motherfucking kids. Make money, fuck bitches. Yeah. Pittsburgh. Hey. come and smoke this blunt. Then let me